If your liver could talk, it would probably be screaming right now. Why? Because every day we overload it with junk processed foods, alcohol, sugar, and toxins. And when your liver is struggling, guess what? Fatigue, brain fog, belly fat, and even skin problems start showing up. But don't worry, because today I'm giving you the ultimate natural liver detox plan that actually works. No expensive cleanses, no weird gimmicks, just real science-backed foods and remedies. Stick around till the end because tip number 8 is a total game changer. Why liver detox is critical. Your liver is like the ultimate bodyguard. It filters toxins, breaks down fat, and keeps your hormones balanced. But when it gets overworked, it turns into that lazy roommate who stops cleaning. The result? Toxin buildup, inflammation, and disease. But here's the good news. You can reset your liver naturally. Let's jump into the 8 best foods and home remedies for a total liver cleanse. Top 8 liver detoxifying foods and remedies. 1. Lemon water. Liver's favorite morning drink. Lemon kickstarts digestion and helps flush out toxins. Try warm lemon water every morning. Quick hack. Add a pinch of turmeric for extra detox power. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts. Think of these as scrubbers for your liver, clearing out chemicals and toxins. Pro tip: if you hate Brussels sprouts, roast them with olive oil and garlic. Total game changer. 3. Apples and beets. An apple a day keeps the liver doctor away. Apples contain pectin, which helps remove toxins. Beets boost bile production, your liver's detox juice. 4. Milk thistle. The king of liver detox herbs. Milk thistle repairs liver cells and protects them from toxins. Get it as a tea or supplement. 5. Avocados. Who knew guacamole was a liver's best friend? Avocados contain glutathione, a powerful detoxifier that shields your liver from damage. Garlic is like the liver's natural antibiotic. It activates detox enzymes and fights off toxins. Just don't eat too much before a date, unless you want to detox your social life too. 7. Olive oil and healthy fats. Good fats like olive oil help unclog the liver and improve bile flow, kind of like giving your liver an oil change. 8. Fasting and hydration. Intermittent fasting gives your liver a break so it can detox properly. And hydration? Think of water as your liver's flush button. Pro tip: try herbal teas like dandelion root or green tea. Bonus: 3 things destroying your liver. Alcohol and processed sugar. Your liver hates these more than you hate Monday mornings. Too many medications. Your liver isn't a pharmacy. Too many pills equals more stress. Artificial sweeteners. Your liver doesn't recognize them, so it stores them as toxins. Which of these remedies are you excited to try? Drop A if you love lemon water, or A if avocados are your go-to detox food. Also, check out my other video on the best morning detox drink for a flat belly. You'll love it. Subscribe for more powerful health tips.